Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting access and tools in place. First, sign into Kaggle and enable API access so you can download programmatically. This saves time on repeated pulls. Once done, install the Kaggle CLI and move your Kaggle JSON to the correct folder with secure permissions so tools authenticate. Then locate the dataset slug and list the files you need. Knowing exact names avoids extra downloads. These steps let you script repeatable downloads rather than clicking through the web interface. You now fetch and verify the data. Run the Kaggle Dataset's download command with unzip or target-specific file paths so you only get what you need. This speeds transfers. After extraction, load relevant files into your workspace using pandas, NumPy, or image libraries. Doing this reveals structure and types. Make sure to inspect with head, info, and shape checks, and preview a few samples so you spot missing values or unexpected formats early, which guides your cleaning choices. You finish by preparing the dataset for analysis or modeling. Clean problematic fields by filling or dropping NaNS, converting data types, and normalizing or resizing images. These operations make pipelines reliable. Next, split into train, validation, and test sets, save them as separate files, and record every preprocessing step so you can reproduce results. If something goes wrong, particularly with downloading, check that your Kaggle JSON path and file permissions are correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.